for that.
Yes.
Hey, what's up, bosses? Welcome back to your favorite show, The Truck Boss Show. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you're up to date with all the latest trucker news. Today's episode has a lot of great stuff, and some of it was provided by you.
Yes, that's right, Chris. But first, this episode of Truck Boss Show is sponsored by TBS Fuel Finder. The TBS Fuel Finder features route planning and station-specific fuel pricing across the country. Visit the link in the description box below for more information.
Today, MasterChef Travis Griffin makes his return to the show as he walks us through how to cook his signature Greek Freak burger. And we get a first-hand look at a Blue Parrott CB headset.
Oh my gosh, I'm really excited for that Greek Freak burger. I can't even say it right.
Oh, yeah.
And that's not all. We are blown away with your submissions to one of our last Trucker Travels questions that we asked you on our Facebook page. So we decided to put together a little trucker montage of all of your trucks. And we want to know which one was your favorite, so be sure to let us know.
Yes, so are you ready?
Let's take a ride.
Who says you can't make a delicious home-cooked meal while on the road? MasterChef Travis Griffin gives us no excuses as he walks us through how to cook the Greek Freak burger. Check it out. Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're joined by MasterChef Travis Griffin. You might remember him from the past from a cooking segment that we did, but we thought it'd be great to have him back so he can teach us how to cook his famous Greek Freak burger. Travis, thank you for joining us.
Well, hey, thank you for having me.
Yeah. So first things first, let's go through the ingredients that are required for this beast. So we have brioche buns, we have spring mix, tzatziki dip, feta cheese, cucumber, tomato, Munster cheese, and Cavender seasoning.
Yes, sir.
So first, we want to get the patty seasoned, correct? So you want to walk me through how you do that?
All right, so the first thing I do is I unpackage my beef. Then I start adding my ingredients to it. I have chopped olives, your onions, and cilantro. You add your feta cheese.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Now save some feta for the topping also.
Okay, gotcha.
Don't forget to add the Cavenders for your seasoning. That way, if you season it now, you won't have to re-season it.
Now, Travis, while we're doing this, tell me about how you came up with the Greek Freak.
Well, I'm a big Bucks fan, born and raised in Milwaukee, and I was cooking, and next thing you know, some of the Bucks come over, and what do you know, it's Giannis. So I'm making my Greek Freak burger, and I give it to him, and he tastes it. He says, yes. Hey, there's something else here. You got something here.
There's no better validation than the Greek Freak himself telling you it's great.
Exactly. Here we go.
Now, I don't have a fancy mandolin like you. I actually have a plastic fork, but I think that'll get the job done.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bring my stove back up. I'm gonna turn it on.
Okay.
Oh yeah, they're ready. I hear the sizzle. If it don't sizzle, it's not right.
So while my patty is cooking up and you're getting it going on your end, Travis, tell me a little bit about your journey to becoming the master chef.
I got thrown into the fire, Max, 2015. I started helping out with the kitchen at the truck shows. And a couple of years ago, before COVID hit, they retired from doing it.
I see.
And they said, Travis, it's your turn, but keep it going. It's like I try to keep it going every day, no matter what truck stop I'm at.
Very cool, very cool.
I like to take my Oklahoma Joe out and smoke, especially when I have a long break. I know I'm not going anywhere. Throw on pork shoulder, ribs, and it's a lot healthier for me to cook my own way.
Right.
And it's a lot cheaper than eating inside of a truck stop. Take some of that grease and put the grease on top of your burgers. Make it stay juicy. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my cheese. All right, so once you do it, you want it to cover the whole burger. Take your knife and your tzatziki sauce.
That's a knife, right?
Yep, put this tzatziki sauce on the bottom and on the top.
Okay.
On your bun. We'll take our burger, set it on the bottom. We'll layer it from there. 2 cucumbers, a couple of onions, a tomato,
And then we'll sprinkle some feta cheese on the top.
Exactly. And there you have a complete Greek freak.
I don't know about you guys, but that looks pretty yummy to me. Travis, what do you think?
I like it. That's how you do it.
All right, here we go. That is an excellent tasting burger.
Refreshing.
Well, Travis, thank you so much for walking us through your the process of making your Greek Freak burger. And guys, if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more cooking segments from us, please let us know. But until then, I'm going to be enjoying my burger. Stay tuned for the next Boss Box giveaway, and you just might win that grill so you can give the Greek Freak burger a try yourself. Nikki, what you got for us?
Thanks, Chris. I'm sure you're all aware by now that there are a ton of headset options out there for you to choose from. Well, our friends over at Blue Parrott claim they have the best on the market. Let's see why right now. Nikki here with the Truck Boss Show. We are with Blue Parrott and our good friend Dave. How's it going, Dave?
It's going great. It's really nice to be back here at the show, and it's great to see you guys. It's been a while.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, we love Blue Parrott. We love your products. So, Dave, tell us what's new with Blue Parrott. What do we got in front of us?
So, you know what's great is that we are launching our most advanced, largest headset we've ever made, and our smallest headset that we've ever made at this show today. So, I'm going to start here talking about our S650. The new S650, like I said, this is our best product to date. It is the most feature packed of any Blue Parrott product. So we start with all the stuff that you kind of know and love about Blue Parrott, right? This is has 96% noise cancellation. It has a tremendous amount of talk time, 36 hours of talk time.
Wow.
It has really, really great sound. As you can see here, this is a stereo product, right? And we know a lot of drivers are looking for solutions, not just so they can talk while they're driving, but also when they're in the sleeper in the back, or maybe they're out and they want to absorb media. So we've made a product basically that allows you to use it as a stereo product in your spare time, but while you're driving, you can simply remove the ear cup, and now what you see here is basically monaural Blue Parrott headset.
Right.
And then simply just slapping this back on, it comes with a nice carry case, so you have a place to store this when you're not using it. But there's also some more advanced features in here that are really, really cool. Instead of pulling all the noise away from the microphone like we always do in every product, including this one, we can also pull sound away from the receivers or the ear cups themselves. And what's fantastic about that is it's actually blocking a lot of that outside sound. It's great for when you're trying to talk to somebody and using it in mono, but also like when you're in the back of the sleeper and the engine's running, it strips away all that sound.
Oh, nice.
And then last but not least, our programmable Parrott button, so you can go ahead and make that product work with any type of companion application, or even just something as simple as just giving yourself quick access to mute.
So this is the Ferrari of the headsets.
Absolutely, 100%. Great analogy. Now you can buy this as an S series. We know not everybody's going to use this as a stereo product, so we also make it available as our B series. Then getting into, like I said, the smallest Blue Parrott ever, we do have a lot of drivers who ask us like, hey, I love wearing my headset in the truck, but like going to the truck stop, like I don't want to wear this big, large headset. And the thing is we really wanted to bring a small solution like this to market. The technology really wasn't there. To be able to deliver on the Blue Parrott promise of the level of noise cancellation you need in a product, the amount of talk time. So our new M300 has 80% noise cancellation, really, really strong. 15 hours of talk time, and a lot of that other stuff that you've come to expect, that programmable Blue Parrott button, USB-C charging, the ability to connect it to 2 devices, that super long range of up to 300 feet, but in a much more discreet, compact product.
Right, so where can folks go to find any of these headsets?
They can go to somewhere along the area of 5,500 different retail locations across North America. We're at all the popular truck stops. And of course, you can always go and find more information on all of our Blue Parrott products at BlueParrott.com.
Nice. Well, Dave, thanks again for sharing all of your new lines with us. And if you want a Blue Parrott headset, make sure to visit any of the retailers or go to their website.
Awesome. Thank you
Thanks,
so
Dave.
much.
A big thanks to all our friends over at Blue Parrott. If any of those tickled your fancy, make sure to check out the link below. Brittany, what do you have for us on your end?
Thanks, Nikki. Here at the Truck Boss Show, we love when we get to spotlight you, the nation's truckers, and boy, do we also love seeing your rigs. Check out how you responded to our newest Trucker Travels question. We ask you a simple question. Where are you from and what do you haul? And boy, oh boy, did you tell us. From Wyoming to Pennsylvania, the Truck Boss Show has viewers from all across the United States, and we're proud of it. Here are some, just to name a few. Cody Davis from Cokeville, Wyoming. He hauls livestock all across the U.S. Ed Vanderbilt from Ontario, Canada. He is a reefer driver. Nathan McLaughlin from Portage, Michigan hauls anything and everything that can go in a reefer or dry van, and he enjoys all the new places he gets to see. Lynn Trotter from the UK. Justin Raymer from South Dakota. He hauls grain and salt. Steve Wayman hauls liquid fertilizer in Texas and Oklahoma. Misty Big Rig hauls only love right now. Clint Mance hauls molten sulfur in Kansas and Oklahoma. Al Craigie from David City, Nebraska hauls grain, dry distilled grain, meat, and bone and fertilizer. Rusty Moss from Hillsboro, Kansas. Well, it's self-explanatory. Daniel Clements from Ohio hauls anything and everything you can put on a flatbed. Michelle Scheidler from Oklahoma hauls anything from parts for new car factories to new caskets. And last but not least, P.D. Hammond from Hanover, Pennsylvania hauls lighting and sound equipment for concerts. How cool is that? Okay, Chris,
Wow.
I loved all of them.
Yes, a lot of good
But
stuff in there.
I think I really liked the guy who hauled for the concerts, the very last
oh, that's
guy.
cool. Yes.
Yeah, I wonder what concerts have you hauled for?
Yeah.
Can you tell
Have you
us?
met any cool people?
Yeah.
And there was a lot of people that were doing that haul hazardous material
Yes.
stuff too. It was that liquid sulfur.
Yeah, a molten sulfur.
Very,
Wow.
very cool. Yeah.
Wow.
Well,
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, it just goes to show that we need somebody to haul everything.
Yes, including love. We saw that one too. Haul all the love that you can.
Yes, that's right.
Oh my gosh. Well, on the next show, we are doing a walk around with the guys from Hater Made Mafia. You're gonna want to see it, you guys. They're so cool and their rig is pretty awesome.
Yes, and as promised, we're featuring one of TBS's exclusive ebooks on engine life, and you don't want to miss out on that either.
That'll help save you lots of money, keep money in your pocket.
That's right.
And we also are having our bloopers, Chris.
Oh, it's the best time of the year.
Best time of the year. It's like Christmas in it'll be in August. So
Yes.
it's like Christmas
Yeah,
in August
yeah.
for us.
You know, Jason always catches our best or best moments.
Our best moments. We'll see what he's got in his back pocket there. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel because we cannot do this without you and your support.
Yes. And why do we do this, Brittany?
Because you're the boss.
Are you going to do this all day?
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, we'll just be here. And
Yeah.
don't ever look at this guy. I'll be moving
All right,
on
champ.
around him.
Settle down.